morning, students. So today our topic is dimensions. How to find, how to check, how to make the dimension formula, and the application of the dimension analysis. Okay, this is the topic which is from unit and measurement, class 11 science. So we start with the dimension formula. So before starting for the application of the dimension formula of the this dimension analysis, application of dimension analysis is very important that we must know about the how to create the dimension formula. Okay, so let's start first with the dimensional formula. So it's a measurement, units and measurement. Dimension formula. First is your dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Okay, students, what is the dimensional formula? Okay, suppose we have take any one example of the formula. So we take a very simple formula that we take force. Okay, we start with the force. What is force? We know that force is what? That is mass into acceleration. Okay, we know this formula. Mass into acceleration. Okay. Now mass. Okay, the mass is what? Because mass we measure. The unit of the mass is what? It is kg. SI unit of mass is what? It is kg. Acceleration, you know, you will study in class 9th also. Acceleration, that is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Meter per second square. Second square. Okay. Now kg. For the mass, okay. So the formula for means in your this SI unit, okay. The unit of the force in SI system will be what? It is kg meter per second square. So you can also write it like this, kg meter per second square. Now, for this, so there are three units. It is made of 3 units. It is kg, meter, and second. Now, for the dimension formula, we take for mass. It is mass. Okay, maybe whether it's in gram or in a kg, whatever. For the mass, we take symbol that is m, capital M. Okay, and for length. So we know that length is measured in what? It is meter, kilometers, and the centimeter. So for all these length, we take in this the symbol for to create the dimension formula. We take for the length, that is capital N. Okay, it is a L, capital N. Similarly, for the time, we take what? We take capital T. So this is MLT. Okay, so what are the formula? Okay, that we will do write down. That will be in the form of MLT form. It is in the form of MLT. So for this we take we have to rewrite it in MLT form. इसी को हम क्या करेंगे? MLT form के अंदर लिखेंगे और इसका जो फॉर्मेशन in MLT है उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला. Got it? Now you see this kg is what? This is the mass. So for this kg we take m. Okay, so we take m. Okay. Now meter is what? Meter is your length. Meter is your length. So we take for meter it will be L. We take a capital L. Now similarly for the time is here. Second is what? Second is time. Okay, second is what? It's the time. So for the time we take the symbol that is t. So here t minus 2 because second is here. It's the time. It is t minus 2. So this is what? This is the dimension formula for force. Got it? This is the dimension formula for the force. Right? So if anybody asks you what is the dimension formula for the force is, then it is what? M1, that is, you can also write it M1, L1, T minus 2. So the dimension formula for the force is M1, L1, T minus 2. Whether there is a mass is there or not, okay? But we have to write the Davis formula always in these three terms, that is MLT. Suppose I take one more example. Suppose I take an acceleration, okay? Suppose I take speed, okay? You take the speed. You take speed. You know the speed, the unit for the speed is, unit for the speed is meter per second, okay? That is meter per second. Or you can also write in meter per second like this. Now meter is what? It is a length. And what is this second? Second is what? It is, second is the time. Okay. So here you have to write for meter we take L, and for the time we take it is capital T, that is -1. Okay. LT -1. So LT -1 is what is the Davis formula for the speed. But this is not a right way. Though it is correct, but this is not a right way to write the Davis formula for the speed. For the dimension, if you are talking about the dimension formula for the speed is, then it would be like this. It is m0, L1 and T-1. This is the correct way. This is the correct way to write the dimension formula for the speed. Do we know that there is no mass, but we have to write it m0, m0 या m0 इसको बोलेंगे. m0 means it has no value, it means 1. Okay, so it will be, so but we have to write, we have to take all the three terms m, l and t. So we write it in like m0, l1 and t-1. Okay, so we take some another example for this. Okay, let one more example, few more example we will going to take so that it is more clearer to you. Okay, now let's check. We take few simple formula first, and to find out its dimension formula. Okay, so let's we take another example. Another example that we take, it is pressure. Okay, हम लेते हैं pressure. So pressure the formula is, you must remember formula, that is force upon area. Okay, you read it in class 9th also. The Archimedes principle and okay, that buoyant force. So in that this formula is given: thrust, pressure, that is force upon area. The force is what? That is mass into acceleration. We know mass into acceleration. Okay, mass into acceleration upon area. Now we write down the word. That is the unit. SI unit क्या है? अभी हम क्या लिखेंगे? SI unit. What is SI unit? Mass is what? SI unit of mass is what? It is kg. एक्सेलरेशन का क्या होता है? That is मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. हम इसको ऐसे लिख देंगे. एरिया जो मेजर होता है वो हमेशा किस में होता है? मीटर स्क्वायर में होता है. राइट? लेंथ टू ब्रेथ जैसे हम लेते हैं, that is in मीटर स्क्वायर. So this is what. Now this is meter, this is your मीटर स्क्वायर. हम इसको ऐसे लिखेंगे kg. ओके, ऊपर वाला क्या हो गया? kg मीटर पर सेकेंड. और जब ये ऊपर आएगा तो हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे? इनटू मीटर माइनस मीन्स meter -2 per meter square. Okay, now here you see, here unit is for this meter it is power is 1, here it is -2. So we know that when the base is same then the power will be added. Okay, तो हम पावर को क्या करते हैं? हम पावर को हम उसको ये ऐड करते हैं. So it will be, अब इसका फॉर्मूला हमारा क्या बनेगा? kg. तो ये मीटर टू बेस देखिए सेम है, मीटर, और ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1 -2. Okay, and this is your second again, this is s minus 2. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे इसको? We will write it again like this. So it will be kg. Okay, it is kg, and 1 -2 is what? That is meter -1, and second that is s minus 2. Now this is the SI unit for the operation. Okay, this is your MK system. It is the MK system. Now we have to convert this MKS unit into dimension formula. Okay, now for kg. Kg is what? It is mass. So for the mass we take what? It is m, capital M हम लेते हैं. Okay, m1. Now meter, it is a length. So we take what? Capital L. Okay, that is again -1. Second is what? It is the time. So t -2. So m1, L -1, t -2. It is what? It is a dimension formula for the pressure. So in this way you can write, you can find, okay, any dimension formula, this dimension formula for any of the quantity, whether it's pressure, whether it's a force, whether it's energy, even you can say work done, you can say, okay, you can take any of these. Okay. Suppose one more example I will I'm going to take that is energy. Okay. Energy का we have इस तरह से formula MS formula आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. Whatever the quantity you can take, okay, you can very easily find out the MS formula for it. So we know that energy, okay, energy, any type of energy. Energy is any type. It has same MS formula. Okay, energy is always energy. So energy is what? That is work done. Okay, इसको हम क्या करेंगे? Energy और work done भी लिखते हैं. Work done जो होता है वो भी energy का ही सेम फॉर्मूला है. Work done का और energy का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला हमेशा सेम होता है. Okay, so it will what? Work done is that is force into displacement. Force into displacement. हम इसको लिखते हैं force into displacement. Okay, force into displacement. So force is what? Force we know अभी हमने लिखा था. That is what? kg meter per second square. Okay. Into displacement is what? That is in meter, because displacement is a length, it's a distance. So it will be the SI unit of displacement will be meter. Okay. So here meter 1, here it is 1. So we know अभी हमने क्या था? Base same होगा, power will get added. Okay. So kg meter square s minus 2. Okay. Now we convert it into dimension formula. Kg is what? Kg is the mass. So we take what? M. That is capital M. Okay. Capital M. What? Okay. Because it's a single, so we take M1. Meter is what length? So L minus 2, and this is T minus 2. So the dimension formula for the work done or the energy is what? It is M1, L minus 2, and T minus 2. Okay. Suppose we take the potential energy. यदि हम इसको potential energy यदि आप लेते हैं, so potential energy we know that is equal to mgh, है ना? ये हमारा formula आपने class 9 में पढ़ा होगा. You studied in class 9, so it is mgh. Now m is what? Is the mass. That is means it is kg. Okay. G is what? Acceleration due to gravity. So इसका भी जो एक्सीलरेट होगा वो भी यही होगा same. That is meter per second square. Okay. Height is what? H is height. Height means it is measured in the meter. So it will be meter. So it will again what? It is kg. Okay. It is meter square, and this is s minus 2. So kg is what? Is the mass again. So m capital M लिखेंगे. M1 meter that is L minus L2 and T minus 2. Do you see? Both of them they are same. You see they are same. M1 L2 T minus 2. M1 L2 and T minus 2. So they are same. So the energy of any form, whether it's a potential energy, whether it's a kinetic energy, any type of the magnetic energy, that is the MS formula for any type of energy is equal to the work. Okay. So this is, you see here, both of them are same. So in this way, for any of the formula, you can find out the dimensional formula. Okay. So the next topic, in the next class, we will start the next topic, and that will be the applications of the dimensional analysis. So that is very important, students, and you go through that, because based on that we will find out so many good important formulas. We will calculate. You can make your own formulas. Okay, by the relation between the different physical quantities, you can make your own formula by using this dimensional analysis. Okay, thank you so much.